In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my TradingView subscription. Whether you want to confirm which plan you're on, see when it renews, or just verify that your subscription is active, I'll walk you through the exact path on the web version of TradingView so you can find everything in a few clicks. Start by opening TradingView in a web browser and signing into your account. Using the web version is important because the layout and menus I'll mention are designed for the desktop experience. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. It might be a small photo, your initials, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Click that profile icon to open your account menu. From that menu, you're looking for the option labeled Settings and Billing. On some accounts or in certain regions, it may appear as Account and Billing. Don't worry if the wording is slightly different. Both options take you to the same area where your account settings and billing information live. Go ahead and select it to open your account dashboard. Inside the billing area, find the section called Subscriptions. Click Subscriptions to view your current plan details. This page summarizes the plan you're on, such as Free, Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium, along with key information like your plan status and the renewal period. You'll typically see the next billing date, the length of your billing cycle, and any notes that indicate whether your plan is active, paused, or on a trial. If you've ever wondered exactly what you're paying for and when the next charge might occur, this is where TradingView puts it all together. Take a moment to read through the details on that page. It's helpful to confirm that you're signed into the correct account, especially if you've created more than one login in the past. The subscriptions section is also where you'll notice if you have any add-ons connected to your plan, like data packages, because they'll usually be referenced alongside your main subscription. If you don't immediately see subscriptions, make sure you're in the billing area and not just browsing general account settings. Also, expand or maximize your browser window if the layout looks compressed, since some menu items can be tucked behind drop-downs on smaller screens. That's all there is to it. By logging in on the web, opening your profile menu, heading to Settings and Billing, or Account and Billing, and selecting Subscriptions, you can quickly confirm your active plan and all the important details associated with it.